I'll share a video of the machine later. So this is a 1919 ANAPOL, Dr. Forster, rare neon massage roller, spinal, very rare white electrode, white neon, intensifier, gynecological, metal saturator, leather with two handles to put this on top, and then we've got the hair comb, neck, thyroid, insulated ear, caphoretic, very rare blue electrode, single eye, very rare dental electrode, insulated, and a fulgurator cauterizer, velvet, restored, new mirror, all leather, beautiful, in keeping, restored set, ANAPOL.